Coleman with Tax Deed and Overage Education. My company is Leverage, and today I want to make a confession, y'all, because people have been asking me this forever, and I told them that yeah, you could do this. Like, you can do this business anywhere. However, I have a confession. I went out of the country like a couple of months ago, and I was actually teaching my mastermind, guys. And I normally, when I'm doing my masterminds, I do not like to travel out of the country because you never know if the Wi-Fi is going to be good or shoddy, or you just never know what'll happen if you're traveling. Your flight might get delayed. So I normally don't like to travel when I'm doing my mastermind, but for some reason I just couldn't get things to align, and so I couldn't change my vacation. So I was like, hey, I'm just gonna do like my mastermind in another country. So this video is about, obviously, can you do this anywhere? And the answer to that is no. Now, can you do this in the United States? Absolutely. So I do plan to go to another country sometime at the end of this year, but let me just tell you what ended up happening, you guys. So I was doing my mastermind, and as you guys know, most of my masterminds are going to be a county that like I vet, and I pretty much do all the legwork for you, like everything that you'll need to know about how to process a claim, how to like look for it. Basically, I'm teaching you how to get leads and uncover claims in a specific county. And you could literally do this for the whole year, because I don't do this with every mastermind. There are different counties every time, because it's also educating me on the counties as well, and also getting me sharper on different counties as I learn them before I teach them to you. So anyway, needless to say, you guys, I am, right before I leave, I make sure I have everything that's needed, like all my links and everything. So I'm basically teaching you, but I'm walking you through the process, and then you go home and you do the homework. I'm showing you on Zoom, and then sometimes if there's enough time in class, I allow you guys to do it. But anyway, make a long story short, I'm having my first week mastermind, and lo and behold, I'm in another country, and guess what? That country does not, I would say that county would not allow me to access their website in the country that I was in. I was like, oh my God, what am I gonna do? Needless to say, I had amazing students that month, because I literally had to have my students kind of teach the class. Like, I walked them through the process, so it was literally hands-on. Luckily enough, I have everything, all the links, so all they need to do is just click and follow instructions as I told them to. Now, because I do most of my masterminds in intimate settings, I don't like everyone to do it, because everyone's skill level is different. So I kind of like show you and then allow you to go home and do the homework, and then we come back and revisit it the next week. But in this particular mastermind, I literally had to have like one or two of my students assist me in teaching. So anyway, needless to say, I wanted to apologize for people. I think, you know what, I'm curious, I should have tried that. Like, I've had people from Canada, from Ukraine, I've had people from all over ask me, could you do this business anywhere? And unfortunately, the answer is, I believe you only so far can do this in the United States. I am gonna go out of the country, so I'm gonna try it again, but what I'm thinking, based on the county's information, and let me say this too, as I'm doing this video, what I realized, this particular county have all the information. They're like court cases. So like, this county showed you everything from like driver's license to like business license. So I'm thinking like, maybe, I haven't tried this, but I will when I go to another country, that if it doesn't have all that information, you may be able to access like basic lists. But that's one of the things I wanted to talk about, as well as if you, somebody asked me like, how do you know if a person is legit or not, like that's teaching this, right? And I would advise, and I'm talking to myself too, that like if someone can't just name 2 or 3 counties, like if you could get on a call and they can't like guide you through it, they're probably not legit. Like they probably don't really know that they know the information. And what I mean by that is a lot of times, a lot of people out here, they're just talking like basic stuff. But like if you were to get on a call with me, I could just shout out like 3 counties and tell you exactly what, you know, like what you can do and like the difference between the counties, because not only do I teach this, but I actually walk the walk. This is something that I do every day and all day. I shouldn't say every day, but the majority of the time. Like when I'm not working or teaching, I'm actually, you know, filing my own claims. So anyway, back to what I wanted to say about being legit and you can't do this in another country. No, you probably can't, but I did not try accessing counties, which I should have done that, accessing counties that aren't actually, what am I trying to say, legal, because like a lot of the counties that I like to work with, especially in my masterminds, is like where you can go and you can look at court dockets, because with those you're able to see if they filed it or not. A lot of times there are a lot of counties. When I first started, I was like literally going through leads and lists, and there's still counties till this day that do this, where you don't know if they've claimed it or not. You're just kind of like shooting a dart in the dark, you know what I mean? Like you're just making a whole bunch of calls, doing a whole bunch of research in hopes that they didn't, but you just don't know. So I'm curious to know, like, if you were to just Google something out of the country, could you just pull up a list? And now that I think about it, I think I did try where you can still pull up the list, but it's probably going to take you a little bit more time to like do all the research if you're in another country, and especially if you're new to this. And that's why when I do teach my masterminds and you're new, I don't want you spending a lot of time, because I really only have like 4 weeks with you. So I want your time to be as valuable as possible. So I really target counties that actually have lists that are not only legitimate, but they haven't been claimed. And a lot of times those are counties where they have all the documents, like everything is there. And I'm just kind of like wanting you guys to know that every county's not like that. I feel like there are some states that are leading in technology where other states aren't. So anyway, yeah, this video is about my confession, y'all. You can't do this everywhere, and you definitely can't do it in certain countries. The county literally blocks the sites, but I really think it's more so because they're court documents, and I guess in other countries you just can't access it. So anyway, just wanted to give you my 2 cents after I was working out and giving this video. I've been meaning to shoot a video on you can't do this everywhere. So hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, please put the comments below. Happy investing, you guys.